Hello everyone, this is Aditya. How are you all? I hope you all guys are good. Now let's start our video, friends. Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Inbox they are providing SIM card tool and as well as case and documentation. These all things will be there. Coming with 90 watts charging. Dual tone display is very interesting. 15 Ultra 228 grams. Coming to the 15 195 grams. Coming to the ports and buttons, SIM card tray and USB Type-C and speaker grills. Everything is there except IR blaster. The body is metal frame. Hand feeling is good. Camera module is rounded in the 15 Ultra while coming to the 15 is a square oriented one. Xiaomi Shield 2.0, first generation of Xiaomi Shield. Coming with fiberglass and vegan leather. Gorilla Glass 798 camera module. Micro Quad curved display. 6.73 inches 2K LTPO AMOLED display. Dolby Vision support is there and HDR10 plus. 3200 nits peak brightness. Multimedia is absolutely good. In 15 6.36 inches 1.5K display is there. While coming to the Ultra 50MP, 50MP, 50MP and 200MP periscope camera is there. Photos and colors are showing very well. Performance Snapdragon 8 Elite. AnTuTu score 2.7 million. LPDD RFX RAM type and UFS 4.1 storage type. In 15 4.0 storage type. 16 512 variant and 12 512 variant is there. Price will be 1 lakh below. 5410 mAh battery and 90 watts charging and 80 watts wireless charging and 5240 in 15. 10 watts wireless reverse charging. You can play games up to 90 fps to the 120 fps ratio. Between these you can play games really very smooth. Vapor cooling system is there. Temperature is up to the 45 degrees in both the phones. It's really very interesting thing. CPU and GPU tuning test is really good. Connectivity is same as 14 but coming to the Bluetooth 6.0. HyperOS 2.0 based on Android 15. 4 years major update and 6 years security updates. AI features are there, all the things are there, and while coming to the touch ratio is really good while you're swiping the phone or anything else. This is really good. Both phones are coming with ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and face lock. IP68 certification. Price of 15 is under 15,000 below. Hello, everything is good in this phone while coming to the everything else, coming to the display side and as well as the sensor side and as well, all the things are really very good. Now please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.